Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking chocolate banana, a popular snack in Japan, especially found at festival and cultural events. Chocolate banana is a simple yet delicious dessert where bananas are coated in melted chocolate. Today we are bringing this festival favorite into your kitchen. There are a few important tips to keep in mind, but it's easy and quick to make. Let's get cooking! First of all, finely chop the chocolate. This makes melting it easier and quicker, especially when using a water bath. Cut the bananas diagonally. Insert a chopstick into each banana. Make sure it's firmly in place to avoid it falling out during coating. Melt the chocolate using a water bath, keeping the water around 50 to 55 degrees Celsius to preserve the chocolate flavor. Carefully melt the chocolate with the lever spatula, making sure no water mixed in. Once melted, remove the chocolate from the water bath and coat the bananas. Start from the base, covering evenly. In a home setting, it's easier to spread rather than dip the bananas in chocolate. Once coated, place the bananas on a plate lined with cooking paper and add your decorations. Chill in the refrigerator for about an hour. They're delicious fresh, but chilled chocolate bananas are a special treat. And there you have it! A simple yet delightful chocolate banana, perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. Let's look over what we used today. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe and will try making it yourself. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Leave a comment below on how your chocolate bananas turns out or any other Japanese treat you'd like to see next. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!